Before buying an exhaust for your 7.3 Powerstroke, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, GXP Bellowed Up Pipe Kit. First up, we have the GXP Bellowed Up Pipe Kit, priced at $229.95. What caught my attention here is the non-EBPV pedestal, an exhaust housing specifically designed for the 1999.5 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke diesel. If you want to improve your exhaust flow and reduce the chances of leaks, this is worth a serious look. This kit solves a common problem by providing a direct bolt-on installation that eliminates restrictions, leading to improved throttle response and turbo performance. The alloy steel construction means it can withstand high temperatures, ensuring durability. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 131 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its quality. Now, some people complain that installation can be tricky and may require extra tools. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, just be prepared for a bit of extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're seeking a reliable performance upgrade. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with some DIY installation. For the price, it definitely delivers on value. Now, if the installation challenge bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, YHB Exhaust Back Pressure Sensor Tube. Next, let's talk about the YHB Exhaust Back Pressure EBP Tube Sensor and wire replacement that comes in at just $28.65. What grabbed my attention is its high compatibility with the 1999-2003 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke diesel, making it an essential component for maintaining optimal engine performance. This product helps monitor back pressure, directly impacting your turbo's efficiency. If the sensor fails, it can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions. The lightweight yet durable construction ensures a straightforward installation process, which is exactly what you want when dealing with engine components. With a solid 4.2-star rating from over 258 reviews, many users have praised its easy compatibility and effectiveness. Here's why this matters. Keeping your engine running smoothly is crucial for a diesel truck, and this sensor is key to that. Some users mention that the wires could be a bit short, which may complicate installation for some. But honestly, if you're already in there replacing the sensor, it's a minor hiccup that can be worked around easily. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option to replace your EBP sensor. Skip it if you're looking for a comprehensive exhaust upgrade. For the price, you get a solid deal here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for performance upgrades. Product number 3, Kamatokiat Exhaust Back Pressure Valve Terminator. Coming in at just $19.99 is the Kamatokiat Exhaust Back Pressure Valve Terminator. This one caught my eye because it's designed to prevent the EBPV from closing, thus avoiding those annoying OBDII codes that can trigger service engine lights. If you want to keep your system running without those pesky alerts, this is worth considering. This valve terminator directly connects to your exhaust back pressure solenoid, allowing for better exhaust flow by keeping the valve open. This is especially important for high-performance applications because it prevents unwanted back pressure that can hurt your engine's efficiency. With a 4.5-star rating from 88 reviews, users have found it to be an effective solution for maintaining optimal engine performance. Here's why this matters. If you're pushing your truck hard, avoiding back pressure issues can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Some folks noted that it may not fit perfectly on all models, which could be a concern. But I'll be real with you, if you're familiar with your truck setup, it's generally easy to adapt it as needed. This is perfect for you if you want to maintain performance without triggering error codes. Skip this if you're looking for a full exhaust replacement. At this price, it's a smart investment for any diesel enthusiast. Now, if the fitment issues are a concern, let's move on to something that promises a more straightforward installation. Product number 4, SBELAB EBP Valve Upgrade Turbo Pedestal. Next up is the SPELAB EBP valve upgrade turbo pedestal, priced at $99.99. I was really impressed by its direct bolt-on compatibility with the 1999.52 Powerstroke, especially for those looking to enhance turbo performance. If you want a quick way to improve your turbo spool-up, this is definitely worth checking out. Made from aluminum alloy and iron, it's designed to withstand high temperatures and vibrations, important for a diesel engine. With a 4.1-star rating from 147 reviews, many users appreciate how it enhances turbo response. Here's why this matters for you. If your truck feels sluggish, this upgrade can provide the boost you're looking for. Now, some users said that the installation instructions could be clearer. But honestly, if you've done any work on your truck before, you should be able to figure it out without too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you're eager to enhance your turbo response. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler exhaust system. For the performance it offers, the price is pretty competitive. Finally, if you want something more comprehensive, let's look at our last product, which takes a different approach altogether. Product number 5, GPP Exhaust Manifold Kit Set. The last product on our list is the GPP Exhaust Manifold Kit Set, priced at $219.95. This caught my attention because it's designed as a direct replacement for the cracked original manifolds on 1999.52 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke diesel engines. If you're dealing with exhaust leaks, this is a must-consider option. That's crucial for maintaining engine efficiency and power. With a 4.4-star rating from 107 reviews, users have highlighted its solid build quality and long-lasting performance. Here's why this matters. You don't want exhaust leaks affecting your engine performance, and this kit aims to eliminate that problem. However, some feedback indicated that installation can be quite involved. This is perfect for you if you're looking to replace old, failing manifolds. Skip this if you want an easy, quick installation. For the level of quality and durability, the value is solid. So there you have it. We've covered the GXB bellowed-up pipe kit, the YHB exhaust back pressure sensor tube, the Kamatokiat valve terminator, the SPELAB turbo pedestal, and the GPP exhaust manifold kit. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, whether it's improved flow, easy installation, or budget-friendly pricing. Choose the one that best fits your needs, and you'll be well on your way to optimizing your 7.3 Powerstroke.